Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to present about our group project, which is student record. Our group member are Fatinah Izzati, Alis Dayana, Min Burhanuddin, Nurin Arisha, and me, Haikal. Okay, I will explain about list.h. Here in the third line, we are declaring a constant with data type integer named maxSize with value 5. MaxSize is the maximum size data we can input into our list. For this case, it is 5. We can only input 5 data into the list. If we want to add more data, we only change the value 5 into 10 or more. Next is struct student. We are using struct because we want to input multiple data type into one data. We have string name, integer ID, integer age, and double CGPA. Here is the class list. We have public object and private object. In the public object, we have constructor, destructor, void login to login, void add record to add student record, void delete record to delete student record, void print record to print all student record, void search to search student, void sort to sort student by their CGPA. Here is the private object, integer size and student array with size max size. For this case, max size is 5.
So I continue for main.cpp. First, we use void display menu to display menu. So to display add student, sort student by CGPA, delete student, search student, display student record, and exit. In main method, we must declare first integer choice because we want to use choice after this. So list is from class, from list.h, from this class list. Record is actually from object. So record dan login is from list.cpp from this. So system CLS ni, this is clear screen. So display menu, we call to display this, to display menu. In choice, we use while loop statement. So choice not equal 6. So we have only 5 choice. We use while loop. So we have 6 choice. So if we use choice 1, so we'll display at screen. So record so at record mean add student. Add record student. Add record student is from this. From void list record student. If we choose 2, it's a sorting screen. So we sort. We use bubble sort. Sort screen. This. We use this. Next, if we choose 3, so delete screen. So we display delete screen method. So delete screen. This. So if we choose 4, it's a search screen. So we display search method. So go to list.cpp. This we display this search. If we choose 5, we display screen. So display screen, that means display student record. This display student record. What we record before this. Next, if we choose it, so we display exit, so it's display goodbye. That's all. Thank you.
So next we move on to list.cpp. We have 6 parts. First, login. Second, add record. Third, delete record. Fourth, print the record. Fifth, search the record. And last is sorting. Okay, for the first part is login. It was necessary and it will appear first at the screen. So we go to the while loop first. Okay, system CLS is just a clear screen, so it's just for display purpose. So first is it asks you to insert the ID first. So if the ID was wrong, I mean L, it will appear wrong ID and system will pause, and you have to insert the ID again. Okay, so if the ID was true, which is 1111, so it will ask you to insert the password. So if the password is true, which is 1234, then you can proceed. Else, it will appear wrong password and system will pause and you have to insert the ID again. Okay. Next, we move on to add record. If the program have reached the maximum size, which is 5, then it will appear this. There is no more place left. So, but if it doesn't reach maximum size, then it will ask you to insert all this. So we use array size.name so that it can be easier if we search for the specific student's record. After this, yes. Next, we go to the delete record. So to delete the record, we have to search for the student record first. So in this process, it will search until the number of students was be found. Then after the number of students found, then we can proceed to delete the record. Else, it will show that student not found.
Now that you already learned about login, add record and delete record, I will be explaining the printing record, searching and sorting. Firstly, print record is just a line where you ask it to print out all the recorded data. Next, searching is where you find a recorded data about a particular student. To do so, you must first enter the student number. If it exists in the system, you can see all the recorded data about the student. Whereas, if it does not exist, then it will show you student not found. As for sorting, it is to sort the student based on their CGPA. This is basically a bubble sort type of coding. The output will start by showing the student with the highest CGPA and ended with student that get the lowest CGPA.
So let's debug. Welcome to student record. The first thing first, we have to insert the ID, which is 1111. Okay, the next one, insert the password, which is 1234. And it will come out a menu, which is we have 6 choices. The first one, add student. The second one, sort student by CGPA. The third one, delete student. The fourth one, search student. The fifth one, display student record. And the last one, exit. So if we want to have the student data, we should add student data. Okay. So right now we have to choose the first choice, which is we have to add student. So it will display like this. Insert name Alice, insert student number 1001, and then insert age 19, insert CGPA 3.77, and then I will put more student until get 5 data for student. Okay. Okay, next we choose the second choice to find the sort student by CGPA. So it will display sorting screen. It will display the CGPA from the highest until the lowest of the students. For example, for the first one, which is a 3.99 for student number 1004, and followed by 3.88, 1002, 3.77, 1001, and 3.67, 1005, and then 3.55 and 1003. So the next one, I will choose 5 for display student record. So here it will display all the student record. It is the first one about the Alice, and then Nurin, and then Amin, and then Haikal, and then Tina. It will display about number, name, student number, age, and CGPA, every single students. Okay, next, if you want to search the student, so we have to choose the 4. Okay, right now it will display search screen. Please insert the student number. So just put any student number that we want to search. For example, I will put 1005, and it will display about number, name, student number, age, and CGPA, about the student that I want to find it. Okay, right now we have to choose a 3 for delete the student data. So it will display the delete screen. Please insert the student number, any student number that we want to delete about his or her data. For example, I will choose 1003. So yeah, so data about the student number 1003 already delete. Okay, is it true? Yes, because it shows right now only Alice, Nurin, Haikal, and Tina. About the student number 1003 already delete. So right now, if you want to exit, just choose the choice number 6 and it will display goodbye. So that's all about our final project from our group. Thank you for watching.